We are fully into fall here in Alaska. So I wanted to get festive in today's freeze drying video. We are about a week away from October, but I'm in the mood to start celebrating Halloween. It's one of our family's favorite holidays. And so I had to get some festive candy to go into my freeze dryer today. But first, I think we need to jazz up my space a little. Make it a little more festive, okay? And we're back with our spooky little Halloween setup here in my freeze drying room. I love decorating for holidays, so we threw up a little bit of Halloween decor here in my freeze drying room to have some fun and be a little festive. So we will have some fun decor for the month of October, celebrating Halloween. Now I'm sure you're all dying to know what I'm gonna freeze dry. Can you take a guess? Think iconic fall Halloween candy. I think everyone probably knows what it's gonna be. Let me show you. It's candy corn. Do you love candy corn or do you hate it? It's one of those things I think people either love or hate. I'm a pretty big fan of candy corn. I mean, it's just nostalgic. It just reminds you of fall and the holidays. My very favorite are the pumpkins, and I was able to find the autumn mix that has the chocolate candy corn and the pumpkins. So we're gonna give these a go in the freeze dryer today. I've never had freeze dried candy corn. Don't know if it's gonna work, but we're gonna find out together. I'm first gonna get my machine into candy mode. I'm doing this on candy mode. I don't know if that's what I'm supposed to do for candy corn, but that's how we're gonna try it first. I'm gonna go up to 150 degrees. I'm gonna do my dry time at, let's do 3.5 hours this time. The freeze time are zeroed out. When you're in candy mode, it just skips that step anyway. I'm gonna hit start and wait our 15 minutes, and then we will get this loaded up. Let's get our candy on the tray. So I used parchment paper to line my trays. You can use your tray mats, you can just stick them directly on the tray, but I don't know, you guys taught me about the parchment paper trick and that has been working really well with my freeze-dried candy. So I'm gonna be going with that for now, but this looks so good. I am not sure if these pumpkins are gonna be too big for the freeze dryer to like pull moisture from. I don't know, we will find out. I would love to know what your favorite Halloween treat or candy is. I love all things pumpkin flavored, pumpkin pie, pumpkin bread, pumpkin rolls, all that stuff. So good. I also like the candy corn, and the Halloween candy is, you know, always good. Who doesn't love that? Let me know your favorite festive fall Halloween treats. And speaking of fall, if you're wanting to buy a freeze dryer, Harvest Right is having a fall sale right now. They are giving $300 off of the new Pro freeze dryers. If that is something you are interested in checking out, I've got a link in the video description below. You can look there, it'll take you to their website, you hit the shop button and it'll show you all the freeze dryers they have, the sizes. And if you have any questions about the size of freeze dryer or the type that would be best for you, please let me know in the comments below. I'm happy to help you figure out what would be best for you. I have the medium. It's worked great for me, for my needs. I really want to upgrade to the Pro and get the 5 trays because this one only has 4. The Pro has 5. I will be getting one at some point. But right now, this is still working great for me, so we're all good. Let's get our candy loaded up. So now I just make sure I hit candy process to on. The little button turns green. That's how you know you're in candy mode. Close up your drain valve. Hit continue. I don't know if I need to warm the trays for this. I'm gonna select warm trays. I'm gonna hit start. I'll let it do it for 2 minutes. Oh, come on. And there we go. We will definitely have to go taste test these in a beautiful fall Alaskan location because we have another glorious week ahead of us. At least another week before we get like super cold, and hopefully longer than that before we get snow. But we have a fabulous sunny week ahead of us and we are going to enjoy it to the fullest. I will catch you guys in a few hours when this is done. We will see how they're looking. All right, y'all, wow. I had to come out in the sunshine for Brooke's trivia corner question of the day. I'm gonna be on theme here with a candy corn trivia question. So, how many pounds of candy corn is sold every year? Take your guess, throw it in the comment section below, and I will give you the answer at the end of today's video. Welcome back. I ended up letting this go for 4 hours. I am now able to get the candy corn out of the freeze dryer to see how it turned out. I love seeing my Halloween stuff. It's like making me so happy. It's so excited for all Halloween things. Okay, let's check these out. This might be the cutest freeze drying candy run we have ever done. I mean, it's so adorable. You can see the pumpkins kind of like expanded a little. The candy corns definitely popped a little, not a huge difference, but they are bigger than they were originally. I cannot wait to give these a try. So there's no way that I can wait until later today to test to see how these turned out. So I've got to try a candy corn and a pumpkin. Let's see how they taste. Okay, I got my candy corn here. That's so good. You can hear the crunch when I chew it. It has the same yummy candy corn flavor. It's just crunchy and kind of just crumbles as you eat it and kind of gets melty in your mouth. These are so good. Let's try the pumpkin. All right, pumpkin time. This guy didn't get painted green on the top. I'm definitely calling these a win. I'm gonna have to add these to my freeze-dried candy menu for my local orders that I do here in Alaska. But I've also definitely gotta bag these up, share them with my kiddos and some friends and stuff. So after I get these bagged up, I will take you guys on our little Alaskan adventure and let the kids do a taste test so they can try the candy corn too. I'm loving it. It's so good. You gotta try this if you haven't done it yet, okay? Tell me in the comments if you have done this before or if you think you're going to. I do want to point out that I tried a candy corn from my bottom tray that was in there and it was not fully crunchy. It was still a little bit soft. So maybe go longer than 4 hours, try 6 or 8. And I will try that next time to see if they all get freeze dried evenly. A lot of times the candy on the bottom tray just doesn't get the full pressurization as it does as the other trays. I've experienced that with other candies. They don't puff up as big as things higher in the freeze dryer. Don't know if it's a me problem or a freeze dryer problem or what, but I think that's what happened here. Still yummy and fun, but I'm just gonna try a little bit longer on my dry time next time. Okay, let's head off onto our Alaskan adventure, see some fall pretty scenery, and do some more taste testing of the candy corn. Sound good? We will also give you the answer to the trivia question. Well, I'm sorry, plans have changed. Our taste test is gonna be in our backyard. We still got some Alaskan fall beauty all around us, but the day got a little crazy. We're not going on an adventure. We're just gonna spend some time outside and enjoy it. But Bria is ready to taste test the candy corn. First, show us a trick to earn your treat. Okay.
Pumpkin. Ah.
Okay, don't jump. Is it crunchy?
Mm-hmm. Hard to start.
Now, is it good?
It's really crunchy and hard to bite into. Candy corn.
That one a little easier?
But it tastes like candy corn. It's really good.
Try the chocolate one.
Chocolate candy corn.
2 thumbs up.
Thumbs up for all of them.
I am just out on my evening walk, enjoying the amazing weather and the beautiful fall colors. Don't mind my heavy breathing. It's like all uphill the first half. Now I get to head downhill, so it'll be easier. But I need to give you the answer to Trivia Corner question. The amount of pounds of candy corn sold every year. Ready for it? 35 million pounds. That's a lot of candy corn. We get a pretty peek way out there of the Cook Inlet. There's some awesome views up the road from my home where I live. It's one of the reasons why I love walking up this hill. Awesome views, good little workout. We'll see how it goes once the snow and ice comes, because I am so clumsy and don't know that I would make it. But anyway, some of these driveways are super steep. And I'd be so afraid in the winter time of coming down them when it's snowy and icy. I mean, they obviously live there and do fine. You just gotta have your snow tires and keep your driveway plowed, but I'm glad my driveway isn't quite so steep. But thank you for joining me on my candy corn. Thank you for joining me on my candy corn adventure today. It was super fun. They tasted so good. I'll definitely have to be making more in the future. And if you got any questions, leave them down in the comments below. Remember, if you have purchased a freeze dryer through my link, I want to send you my little goodie thank you swag bag for buying a freeze dryer. And to do that, you need to send me an email, and that email address is in my video description below. I just need your name, your mailing address, and the date you purchased your freeze dryer, just so I can verify that it all went through. And I will send you your little goodie bag as a thank you for supporting me and my channel here. Y'all are the best. Thank you so much. If you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button, and I will catch you guys on the next freeze drying adventure. Bye.